A 40% acid solution is to be mixed with a 60% solution to get 100 liters of 55% solution. How many liters of each solution should be used? Since we are mixing two kinds of solutions, we're going to use beakers to explain the whole situation. Okay, let's use the top row for the percentage of each solution, and the bottom row is for the amount, and in this case, liters for each solution. So the first solution that we have has 40% acid, so the percentage will be 40. And the second solution we have has acid of 60%, so we have 60. And the mixture has a percentage which is 55%. Now let's look at the amount. Since we do not know how much we need for 40% acid solution, we let the amount be x. So the x would be the amount of 40% acid solution. And we also do not know the amount of solution with 60% acid. We let y is the amount of 60% acid solution. The amount of the mixture is 100 liters. Okay, now we're going to make two equations since we have two variables. The first equation comes from the total amount of the mixture. When you add the amount of the 40% solution to the amount of 60% solution, we get the total of 100 liters. Next, we're going to calculate the amount of pure acid. The pure acid is given by multiplying percentage in decimals by the amount of acid solution. So the pure acid amount for the first solution will be 0.4 times x. And we add the amount to the amount of pure acid in 60% solution, which is given by 0.6y. That will give us 0.55 times 100, which is the amount of pure acid in the mixture. Here we have a system of linear equations with two variables. So we are going to solve the system. First, we're going to solve the top equation for x. So we have x equals 100 minus y. Then we're going to substitute this into the x in the bottom equation. So we have 0.4 times 100 minus y plus 0.6y equals 0.55 times 100, which is 55. By multiplying 10 on both sides, we can eliminate the decimal point. So we have 4 times 100 minus y plus 6y equals 550. So 400 minus 4y plus 6y equals 550. By combining like terms, we have 400 plus 2y equals 550. So we have 2y equals 550 minus 400, which is 150. Y equals 150 divided by 2, which is 75 liters. To find x, we can simply go back to the original equation. So we have x equals 100 minus 75, which is 25 liters. So we need 75 liters of 60% acid solution and 25 liters of 40% acid solution.